How to send money or payment on Venmo. If you want to send money or payment on Venmo, it is very simple to do so. Launch the Venmo app and make sure that you are logged into your account. From the bottom center, you can see the Venmo icon that says pay or request. Make sure to just tap on it. Once you tap on it, on the next page, you simply have to select the person to whom you'd like to send the money. Once you select a certain person, on the next page, you simply have to enter the amount that you would like to send. After you've done that, just select what's this for, then just tap on the pay button that you can see there. Now you can also get it wrapped with a gift if that's your choice, but you can skip this process as well. If you want to, you can totally select a certain design. Then after that, it will ask you for a confirmation from where you're trying to pay, to whom the amount that you're trying to pay. All you have to do is tap on the pay button, select who can see this. You can set this as a private transaction or a public transaction, and once done, you would have successfully sent your payment to the other person. This way you can send money or pay on Venmo. I hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.